Alright, welcome back to Danksco Traders App. Yes, as usual, it's done here. And we know what to do here. We're going to analyze today BTC. As usual, Tuesdays at 1 p.m. we analyze BTC, and that's what we're going to be going into straight out. So I hope you are having a good time wherever you are, and you are ready for the analysis. Quick reminder, we just 1 week, we're in the last week of March, so meaning by next week we will be in April. So we officially opened the registration yesterday for the mentorship class and understanding all the concepts, all the strategies to trade. If you're a beginner, you get to understand from A to Z at least, and be able to trade and become profitable as a trader. So that's what we're doing this whole week. We are doing registration for those that want to join the class. Otherwise, I want to welcome those who want to join. The number is there on your screen. You can use that and be able to be part of the April class. Alright, so without wasting any more time, let's head over into that level, and then we grab our buys, and then take it all over back to the top. Remember, our current all-time high is 110 there, 109k, around that price there. That's our all-time high. So we are in a pullback or retracement. There's a lot of liquidity pool levels that it left back on fair value gap there, fair value gaps, order blocks. The order block that I see is not a valid one, but you never know, it may still come all the way, grab liquidity on that order block and go continue. But the most that we had, there are two. This one already, liquidity has been grabbed from that level 2 times actually, here and here, and now we are still anticipating price to get back into sales and grab liquidity on our last fair value gap according to the daily time frame. So let's now look into H4. Actually on daily it is trying to show us the momentum to buy, but not yet. H4 is giving us the momentum to sell this asset. Why are we selling? I've just told you we need liquidity. We want to see liquidity grab on that very fair value gap right about there. So right now I can delete all these. First delete all those, grab it, delete all that, and I think that's it. At least for now. And currently, remember, price has been in a rising wedge. So we need price to give us a breakout, retest, then come all the way here. We can enter that sell to bring us all the way down below. But again, we have an opportunity to enter it if it decides to come again about there. So let's look at H1. So if H1 gives us that pull back to that order block, then we know that we will be having our entry. So I can easily add my limit order, and I just give it a 0. Don't want to leverage high, so I'm gonna give it a 0.1. I will leverage it at 0.1, and then that means I'll have my stop loss, my entry right there. If it comes around that level, it will activate my order, and then I will start to sell this asset, and hopefully I will see it all the way here, or even break through and retest. I can choose to hold if I see the momentum to keep holding this asset. I can still choose to hold depending on the sell momentum that I will be seeing in the market. But as for intraday, you want to make entry there and then sell it all the way to the trend line or to the order block down below here and call it a day. Yeah, that's it. So for now, I see sales that are gonna come, but before sales we're going to see some buys. So how do we do that? Clearly price is showing us that it's gonna come around here or around that change of that fair value gap after change of character right there. Already it has touched it, so can we confirm that we are buying on M5? Not yet, so it's likely to come to this order block. It's likely to come to this order block. So if it does so it's gonna do that, and immediately we get our entry to another limit order is put, and it will be activated. It will take me all the way up there, take my profits and activate my sell limit, and that's how I'll be looking at trading. Why have I made an entry? Why have I put my limit order right here? Two reasons. Price came to this order block on M15 right there, grabbed liquidity, and that is currently acting as a support. After doing that, it gave us a change of character right there. So all we need is a pullback after change of character, and clearly it's likely to come to this order block or to that fair value gap, of which it has already gone to that fair value gap. So it's likely to now exceed it and come all the way to that order block. But sometimes it does not come below the change of character, so you have to be ready if it does not, so you can find another entry and make it happen. But yeah, we are going to be looking at entering that asset. I can add a limit. You can add another limit order just in case if I don't want to miss out on this trade. But please, I want to remind you that as I'm doing this analysis, sorry to say, but now this is a demo, so that's why I can choose to try this out right here. I'm using now a demo account, so I can choose to put this right here. But even on a real account, I can't do the same, because clearly I will not be risking much. My stop loss is going to be just below this order block, just below, yeah, actually below that order block. Yeah, that's where I would put your stop loss, but it is still very high, so it is not applicable actually. So you rather put your stop loss right here. Yeah, this is now at least something that makes sense. If you put your stop loss down below here, this is a stop loss that will make sense. If you're going to make an entry here or there, this is one that will make sense, not the one down below. So what do you want to do is just wait for these limit orders to get activated, and then the buys will come in and we'll be taking us our TP just on that order block. Once we have our TP, we wait for the activation of the sell limit, and now we'll be in a swing trade to take us all the way down below to the trend line, or to this order block, and we grab that kind of money. So it is happening. In fact, those who trade BTC, this is a good trade today. Please don't miss it. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. This is a very clean trade, not like the ones I'm dealing with on synthetic index and the rest of the other assets. They have a low momentum today, but this one is a clean trade that we can grab today and actually capitalize on. Those who trade both BTC and synthetics, this can be a trade that can actually make you even recover some of the losses that you may have encountered already. Otherwise, this I'm gonna enter it, and it's so very clear that money is evident. We are going to make it. So I don't have what will hold me back not to make such entries that I've already put there with my limit orders. I believe it's gonna come through and it's gonna give us at least some good money. All right, so of course your TP level, your first TP level is on this order block. The second is there according to H1 capitalizing on, and that move, like I showed you, according to daily, it will be bringing us to this order block, this fair value gap, where we want to make our swing trade and where we anticipate the start of another phase of bull run. The start of another phase of bull run, that is second bull run anticipation. Yeah, so right there on this fair value gap, that's where we are anticipating this second bull run phase. Bull run phase anticipation. So that's where we will be anticipating that according to what we have here. So for now, we still wait for what is about to happen, but like I've told you, M15, we are going to buy this asset all the way up there, then sell it according to H1, and then hopefully we see a breakout. Once we see a breakout, then something like that will be anticipated at a later stage, and then of course then comes a continuation to take us all the way down below to this other fair value gap. All right, so that's it. Now I can go to H. Now I can go to H1 and wait for the activation of my limit orders. In fact, M15, and that's it. That will be it, and I'll be in money before the day ends. I'm gonna be counting BTC money. I'm just going to change. In fact, let me do it on my phone here. I go to my real account, have my limit orders in place, and get ready for this very money to come around. We are making money today. We are making money today. We are making money today on BTC. If you've taken some time not making money, today is gonna be that day. Meaning on BTC. I know you on the other assets you've been making money, but now I'm meaning BTC. So we are going to make money on this asset today. I have a good feeling. Please remember, it's not about the guts, it's about the analysis. My analysis gives me the feeling that I'm gonna make this money because of several things I normally look for before I can make a decision. So yeah, that's why I'm having a good feeling about this asset BTC to give us some good money today. Otherwise, I think that's it. Just a one reminder, BTC, not BTC. We started the registration for we started the registration for the mentorship class, so you can call in or WhatsApp and get yourself registered for the April class. The April class is gonna start on. It's going to start on. Let me see which date. We're going to start the April class on Tuesday. Next week, Tuesday, which will be 1st of April. It will be 1st of April. So we're going to start. Those who are ready, who will be ready by then and have already registered, have everything that is required, then we'll be kickstarting on Tuesday. Hopefully I can see some of you guys there in class, so that we can look into these concepts that you normally see me use right here on this very platform when I'm analyzing. And another reminder is the Signals platform, the VIP Signals platform is also we are also subscribing for the new month, April. The subscription window has got opened yesterday, so it means we have the whole of this week till 31st for you to be part of the VIP Signals platform. Currently, I will show it I will show it on Synthetics tomorrow. What is taking place in the group? Yeah, people have made money. Of course, it's I can tell you that as long as you follow the rules that I give in the VIP, you will never see your account being blown, but you will see your account grow from one level to another. And those who are in the VIP, they can attest to that at least those, if they are following the rules that we set in and we started, they've seen their accounts grow, not actually get blown at all. Otherwise, let me wish you guys a good day. I'll see you tomorrow for the synthetic indices. For the BTC, see you on Friday same time. Synthetics, it will be 10:30 to 11:30 East African time tomorrow. So I wish you a happy trading day, and of course success. I know we are going to make money. So if you have done what I've done here, let's now wait for our profits to come around. See you guys, happy trading and have a good day.